Hi, welcome to the second video of our three-part series on setting up an e-commerce store in Messenger. In the first video of this series, we discussed how to set up our payment details, and we also created our Messenger e-commerce store. In this video, we will be showing you how you can add products to your Messenger e-commerce store, as well as product attributes, categories and more. If you haven't already created a store, you can do so by clicking the blue Create Store button. Clicking on the store name will take you to the store's homepage. From your store's dashboard, click the Action button. A drop-down menu will pop up. I will explain each section. The first link is the dashboard. This is where we are at the moment. From here you can see your store statistics like orders and earnings. The next section is Products. This is where we add our products to our store. In the Coupon section, you can create coupon codes and discounts for your subscribers. In the Categories section, you can add your required categories. The same applies to the Attributes section. In the Orders section, you will be able to see customer purchases and order details. On the Copy URL page, you will find all the store links you will need to add to your chatbot. The Visit Store link will take you to your e-commerce store. You can also edit or delete your store at any time by clicking the respective links. The first step before adding any product should be creating our categories. Let's do that now. To add a new category, I will click on the blue Add Category button. In the pop-up window, I will then give my category a name, set the status to active, then click the blue Save button. Repeat this process until you have created all your required categories. Once you are satisfied the categories you created, you can then move to the Attributes section. Create an attribute by clicking on the blue Add Attribute button. In the Attribute pop-up window, give your attribute a name, then add your required attributes variations. Once completed, click the blue Save button to save. Repeat the same process to create multiple attributes. Once your categories and attributes are created, you can start adding products to your store. Click the blue Add Product button to get started. Choose your category, then assign attributes as required. Next, give your product a name, then add the price. In the Sell Price field, enter the new price if the product is on sale. In the Product Description section, enter your product details. In the Image section, we will add our thumbnail image, then our product image. Next, set your stock levels, then choose either to display stock levels to buyers or not. You also have the option to disable purchase automatically if product is out of stock. Finally, set the status of the product, and enable or disable taxes. Double check everything, then click the blue Save button to save your first product. We can view the product page by clicking the icon under the Action tab, then by clicking on the eye symbol. This is how our product page looks at the moment. To add more products, simply repeat the steps that were used when adding the first product. Once you have finished adding your products, you can check out your new store. To do so, click on the Actions button, then select the View Store option. Your store will open up in a new tab. In the next video, I will show you how to add your store to a Messenger flow so customers can start shopping with you via Messenger.